Hi everyone, today I'm gonna be reading a book called A Firefly Tale, written and illustrated by Janet Toonen. The fireflies flew home off to try and wash off their shoes. The paint didn't come off, which seemed like bad news. They looked in the forest and along the field. It seemed their search turned up no yield. In the larvae stage, they took like a grub, each glowworm and enormous chub. The bugs decided this move will be brave. That is how they made their home. Firefly Cave, home sweet home. Little fireflies emerged from the pupal custody shell. Their new wings allowed them to zoom through the air so well. Lumen had an idea that she'd been saving. Her suggestion got the other fireflies raving. A mama firefly hides little eggs that look like dough. The forest floor leaves will hide from predators their soft, gentle glow. But in the morning they missed their new special glow. In daylight they looked like any other bug you know. One of these fireflies is a girl. My name is Lumen, she says, as she gives a twirl. When evening came, each showed off their new shade. They all hoped that the colors wouldn't fade. The last firefly begins to pulse with light. His name is Surge, 'cause his illuminations are quite bright. When summer comes, the glowworms begin a new phase. Pupae is the last step before the adult days. The fireflies speed along in the dark of night. They discover creatures that step into their light. A great search began to locate a new spot. The night sky was filled with each colorful dot. Surge told the other fireflies about the artist. She could paint the colors. It wouldn't be the hardest. They needed to find a new place, somewhere that wouldn't be a dark space. A firefly's life has 4 stages: egg, larva, pupa, then adult as it ages. Daylight soon gave the way to night. The fireflies glowed in colors to their delight. The other fireflies saw the beautiful jewel tone. Then they all wanted to have colors of their own. 2 boy fireflies make light trails in big arcs. The largest of the fireflies exclaims, "They call me Sparks." They dig themselves into the ground or under a tree bark without any direction. This metamorphosis requires forming a hard shell for protection. You can see them on a warm summer night, each blinking spot a gem of light. Tonight, they met a unicorn named Kozomo. He became good friends with the bugs that glow. These 3 little eggs began to transform. A round shape takes the whole new norm. There are many names for these beetles that glow. Firefly or lightning bug, the 2 you might know. Kozomo had a wish to be more colorful since he was plain white. The fireflies went with him to find an artist at daylight. The glowworms live through the winter season. You'd think they'd be freezing. Unfortunately, the artist was away. Kumzu accidentally got them covered in paint that day. The 3 fireflies led the others to the studio tree. The artist painted them all in colors happily. I hope you enjoyed this book, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, comment your opinion, and give a thumbs up. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!